Fine, that much done, beta. Can I go ahead the next steps? Step 2 is that we are going to over here. See here, this is eyes line. I make the eyes line. So here, draw the eyes like this. I just make the color changes. This is black. I just put the black color. You can see. Okay, I make the eyes. Eyes very simple. Okay.
Sir, what are you doing?
Tell me that what animal it is. It is something animals. And these are like a dancing pose. It's called a penguin kind of. Okay. Kind of penguin. What animal
Sir,
is
is it a pen?
it? You just guess it the characters. Just very simple steps and create a character. Okay. Is a dancing pose like this, dancing pose, and is a the leg over here. Okay. And another leg over here. So it's just doing the dance. Like Kathak. Like this. So the basic shape is like this. Okay. Let's try. We are creating another character on it. So for the basic shapes you can try two characters. Okay. But what is this name? Can I go ahead the next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are with the. This is not coloring. I just do the sketching only. Okay. This is the small penguins are doing. This is also just do this one another penguin. Okay, and they are just eyes in top is eyes. Okay, it's a mouth. Okay, it's like this. And here the leg. Okay, he's just flying and flying like this. The pose like this. We have it flying.